Hey, Happy New Year. I have been offline since we moved. We actually closed on our land just over a year ago on Christmas Eve, and I said, man, wouldn't it be great if we could figure out how to move to our land before an entire year has gone by? So we've been built a couple of little cabins, built a workshop, and got a lot done. We had plumbing that exploded because we had the way too much pressure coming from the road. We had bizarre issues with electricians and all kinds of other fun stuff. But it was an amazing 2019, and we got a whole ton of stuff going. But I know that I have not been doing any videos lately, and that's because we moved out of our old place and we did a lot of cleaning at the old place, and we had to do a lot of repairs at the new place. I had to do things like finish building an outhouse and building a shower and all that kind of stuff. So I've been really busy doing that. Plus, our new place does not have any internet, so I have to go borrow internet, which is that is just the way it is, and that's the way it's going to be for probably a long time. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be posting new videos. Rachel and I have some plans for a bunch of new stuff coming up into the new year, and I've got that goal of hitting 100,000 YouTube subscribers. As a matter of fact, I posted my goals for the year on my website, thesurvivalgardener.com, and you can see my goals for the year and my 2019 year in review post. I do a year in review post every year, and I'll put links to both of those below this video. But I wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year, a very prosperous 2020, and tell you why I haven't been around all that much. But I will be around in the future. We're going to be filming a lot of videos in much higher quality than just on a cell phone or on a laptop like I'm doing right now. And then I'll edit them at home, and I will drive out to where there's internet, and we will post, because we've got so much cool stuff we can do now that we're actually living on our own land. I've got updates. I mean, that coconut palm that I was pouring salt water on, guess what? It just bloomed for the first time. I haven't taken a picture or done a video yet, but I will. We've got jackfruit trees. You saw my seedling jackfruit update. There's a lot of things going on in the food forest. I've been clearing and moving things around. We built this really cool composting toilet system. Got all kinds of stuff going on. Anyhow, I will update you on all of that coming soon. But for now, I know it's cold where most of you are, except for my wonderful south of the equator friends. And it's not really the gardening season, so I figured I could probably get away with moving right now. And I've still got a lot of carpentry to do and a lot of painting to do and all that stuff. And so as I'm clearing through that stuff, we will move into video production mode. But as always, you can follow me at thesurvivalgardener.com, where I try to post more often than I post videos. So have a great 2020. God bless you all, and until next time, may your thumbs always